Today we're just going to take a peek at the first three explorers that we looked at last week, the first of them being Christopher Columbus. So Columbus was one of the very first explorers in 1492, and he went through 1506. And you can see right here, this is his route. So he was very far south as far as this was on his very first expedition. He went this way. So he was more towards Florida than the north part of America. And then we know that his background, he was originally always a sailor, so that was something that he was very good at. And his sponsor, when we talk about the sponsor, it's who paid for his trips, and that would be the country of Spain. His whole motive of why he wanted to go to the New World was to find a route to Asia and to find silver and gold. So he didn't realize that this land was here. He was hoping to go straight over to Asia. And he was also looking to find silver and gold to become rich. The impact that Christopher Columbus had was that he mistreated American Indians, and this was something that would happen often throughout the time of the explorers. But he also claimed lands for Spain and provided new information for maps, which helped us with the maps that we have today. They didn't always know what to put on them, and so when people explored, they got more and more information for the maps. The next one is John Cabot, and he explored from 1497 to 1498, so just 1 year, super short. His background was that he was a merchant, so he wasn't originally a sailor. That wasn't what his job was. His sponsor was England. And we see that England, if you would be like up here if it was over on the map, but he came over from England and he was on more the northern part, whereas we saw Christopher Columbus down here. His motive, he was also trying to find a route to Asia and to find silver and gold. His impact was that he claimed lands for England and provided new information for maps. So we see very many similarities between Christopher Columbus and John Cabot. And then last one we have to review is Juan Ponce de Leon. And he explored from 1506 to 1521, so he was a lot later than the other two. His background was that he was originally a soldier, so that wasn't something that he was always doing, was being a sailor. He was a soldier, so he was used to fighting. So his sponsor was Spain also, which was just like Christopher Columbus. His impact was that he also, like Columbus, mistreated the American Indians, but he also claimed lands for Spain, provided new information for maps, and established a new settlement. So we see a lot of similarities between Juan Ponce de Leon and Christopher Columbus. So just wanted to walk through a review of these three.